friends, today we have an exciting video for you. We are going to unbox this Brainix kit. Come on, let's unbox it. Look, we got a cute pencil and a cute eraser. Look at this panda one. Cute. And also there is one eraser on top of this pencil. It's a kitty cat. Meow, meow, meow. We have got some picture cards like this grapes, this heart, head, milkman, car, and one apple and one number one. We also got some math related cards like this sum and also time. We also got these that we're going to put the card over here, write the answers with these letters and numbers. Let's open these letters first. Over here. This is how we put the card down. The answer is hidden over here. So now we're not able to see. I'm going to write the answer and then we'll see the answer. Oh. And lastly. Now let's see if my spelling one is correct. It's correct! Oh, woohoo! There's so many other options, like colors, birds, animals. We also have fruits, vegetables, transport vehicles, and numbers that we just did. Let's do one color card. This is my favorite color, pink. Let's do the spelling now. P I N K. Now let's check the spelling. It's the correct spelling. Woohoo! Do some maths card. In this we have to find the time and put the answer over here. Let's begin. The hour hand is on 7 and the minute hand is on 12. That means it's 7 o'clock. Let's add 7 over here. Woohoo, it's 7 o'clock. Now let's see what's the next problem. My favorite addition. Here we have to add two numbers. Let's see. 10 plus 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer of 10 plus 4 equals 14. Let's add the answer. 1 and a 4. Yoo-hoo, it's 14. Now it's subtraction. 8 minus 6. Put 8 in the mind and 6 on the fingers and count backward countings. Before 8 comes 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So the answer is 2. Let's check the answer. Yahoo! It's 2. You can buy your own box. Check the link in the description. I love Brainix. Bye.